Hello and welcome in this video presentation showing how to solve the issues that you can occasionally meet when you, for instance, changed the adjust tide or adjust chin dials using Ultimate Pose Master, and that suddenly the foot is not any longer on the helper and you don't know how to place it back, how to solve this issue. So this video is going to show you some solutions. So here I am in a situation when I am on the right foot helper has gone suddenly far away from suddenly or progressively far away from the right foot. Okay, and if I bend the tide, I'm locked. If I side it, I'm locked. If I twist it, I'm locked. I'm not locked, sadly. Okay. Well, it seems that I'm stuck. I can't do anything. I can twist the shin, it doesn't work. I can bend the shin, it doesn't work. Okay, that occasionally happens where the values that you have here are not compatible with the location of the helper. I mean, your starting conditions are too far from the solutions, and the script does not manage to find this solution. And this is very easy to solve. The easiest solution, which works in most of the case, is to use the choose action drop-down menu, okay, of the corresponding helper, and to do try to force foot on a helper. It's gonna compute a certain number of things and it's gonna place the foot back on the helper. Okay, and here I can change a little bit the side and the twist of the tide, but if I change the twist too much, you see I disconnect again. So if I'm still disconnected, I can do try to force foot on helper once again. It's because when you twist it in this direction, it doesn't manage to find the solution, and poof, it got lost. Okay, but as you see, it's solved in 1 second. Okay, let's undo what we've done. Undo, so that everything comes back properly in place. Another solution. I don't want to touch the helpers because I want to keep my issue. Otherwise, it would place this helper on the foot if I say place helpers, and that's not what I want. Okay, so I'm in the legs hip tab because I'm posing the leg. All right, and what you can also do is to adjust the tide bonds. So I'm gonna try to play with the bend tie. It doesn't work. The side, so it doesn't work. It's even stuck. And you know, I can vary between -51 and -49. The reason why is that it is the calculus is blocked in a strong local minimum, which is not compatible with the solution. And the issue comes actually from the twist tide, because with this tide twist, I cannot reach this hand location, okay, and with the other gels too. And you need the tide to be twisted in the other direction, all right? And here you have a margin of variation, which is more important, meaning the twist tide can vary from 46 degrees to 75. That's what allows you to rotate a bit the leg. It's because of the location of the helper. All right. Let's undo and see another solution. Okay, back in my interface with the issue. One thing that I can do is to move the helpers. So I try to remember. I can write down or just screen capture the values, for instance. Okay, I try to remember my values, and I'm going to move the leg. So let's try to push it completely to the right, okay, and then move it slowly back to its initial location, which was, give me my capture, a 29. So here I go with the minus sign here to go faster, to go more to move it more slowly. I mean, and here it was. Okay, and that's done. That's solved. So I pushed it to the left. Okay, and it forced the twist tie to go in the right direction. It can be the other side. You can push it on the other side and try to place it back. Okay, it depends on your situation, but the idea is to move the helper so that it moves the feet and force the script to start from a new situation, which will have compatible solutions when you bring them back in place with the solution that it must reach. Okay, let's undo this. Undo. So it worked with the left, right. Okay. So finally, in summary, the solution will be either to play with just YALs. So this one, I really cannot play with it. Okay, this one, I force and nothing happens. Okay, and this one, I managed to find a solution. Okay, and the other solution would be to change the location of the helper. Remember it, change it and place it back. Okay. If you want something precise, otherwise you place it back approximately. And you can also try to force foot on helper. You can do this at any time, and it will recalculate with certain conditions. This may not work if your figure is laying on the floor, is on the back on the floor. Okay, but in general it works. Well, that's all. I'm gonna have a look if I have something to add. Oh yeah, another thing which can be done. So let's undo this. Okay, and relaunch the script. Relaunch. Don't touch. Is either to 0, 0, 0, 0, it's here, sorry. 0, the right leg, okay. Oh, I'm gonna do it completely. 0, the right leg. And here I make move foot to helper, and it solves my issue. Let's undo again. I could have reset the pose. If you don't want to zero the foot, okay, and the toes, what you can do is disconnect the foot from the helper, set everything, all the thigh and shin dials at 0, okay, reconnect and move. Well, in general, I always manage to bring a foot back to its helper in less than, let's say, 20 seconds, okay, or 10 seconds. It never happens that I'm a completely locked situation, and it's normal regarding how the script generally behaves. Thank you for your attention. I hope it's enough for you to solve your issue in case you have a similar issue. And just in case you don't manage to do it, you feel free to contact me on Daz forum, and I'll analyze your situation and solve it for you if necessary. And that's all. Have a nice day. Thank you for your attention, and bye-bye.